Hey, what's up guys, it's the Big Baller Bros here, and in this video, well, more like a video series, we're going to be taking these old Huaraches that we have here, and we're going to be redoing them and customizing them, and they're going to look really cool. Yeah.
I mean, these are pretty much beat. I mean, we'll show you more.
We'll show you more pictures later, or in a few minutes, and then we're also going to show you the picture of what we want them to look like when they're done. And if we could get to look like that, that would be really cool.
Yeah, so it'll be our first customization too.
Yep.
So yeah, make sure to subscribe for more of these videos, and let's get into it.
Let's get it. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, these are the Huaraches right here. They're size 10.5, and they're in decent condition, I guess. I mean, I don't know how this really happened, and then I don't know what happens here. The main, there's small holes, which we're not really gonna be able to fix, really. I mean, we're not gonna be able to fix that either. And yeah, that's pretty much the only issues with them. And we're gonna clean the laces up too. So yeah, let's get right into it.
And right now we'll put on the screen the picture of the finished product that we want the shoe to look like at the end.
Alright guys, so we're gonna make this really quick because it's pretty simple how to clean shoes. So we just get a bowl, fill it up with warm water, some soap, dish soap or hand soap is fine. But dish soap's a little better because it gets rid of grease, but either will work. But also put the shoe tree in, so because like you don't want it super soft, you want it hard.
Be careful on some of the material with the type of brush you have because it could fray some of the material. Yeah. Which some of the shoe that we're doing right now, it's a little bit frayed, but we're gonna try to take care of that.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so now I'm just going to clean up the mesh, and we can use some bleach if it doesn't all come out. So yeah, we'll be cleaning the mesh and the tongue area up here and all the rest of it. Alright guys, so I got most of the dirt out, I guess. We're definitely gonna use bleach because there is some extra dirt. So we're just gonna pour some bleach into the cup and then start scrubbing the same spots. Alright guys, so I try to get as much of the dirt out as possible. We'll probably throw them in the laundry or something. And you just take them out of the soapy water and then just start rubbing them like you wash your hands. And have the water running too. Alright guys, so now you can just leave them air dry or put them in the shoe and let them dry. We're going to just get back to them when we paint them.
We're going to be customizing them. We're going to be painting them like everything blue, and then this part right here, yeah. What is that even called?
It's going to be gold. It's just like, I don't know.
Whatever it is. It's going to be gold, and then there's the sole right here is just going to be blue and gold dots on it.
Speckles,
so
yeah.
Speckles dots, yeah.
And we're leaving the sole the same. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
These are pretty beat
Don't
up.
ask what happened to these. But guys, so we're just gonna get started. We're gonna be mixing the paints and stuff, and there's different, because we have too hard and too soft, which is meant for different materials on the shoe. So we're just gonna be mixing them. If you want to do this yourself and you have any questions about how to mix, because you need to mix like half and half sometimes, or like 75 and 25, like it matters. So if you have any questions, just comment down below.
We'll for sure answer.
Well, yeah, we'll answer you for sure. So yeah, we're gonna get started.
Let's get it.